Finished roughing the scenery in behind the sawmill complex. This whole area will be basically sawmill related. The mill pond is outlined by the dotted lines below. 2 boom boats in the mill pond. A log lift takes the logs up onto a chain that goes through the debarker building where the bark is taken off the logs and on into the sawmill itself. Sawmill's modeled loosely off the Hull Oaks sawmill in Oregon, which was the last steam operated sawmill. It's still operating, and they operated steam until about 10 years ago for still part of the mill at that time. The tracks in this area will be related to car storage for the yard. This area will be used to offload the logs from rail cars into the mill pond, and also it will be set up so that logs could be brought in by truck and offloaded here also. The main tracks go around the outside here nearest to the fascia, and we'll leave here or arrive here depending on which direction. So it's taken me about 3 or 4 days to rough in the foam scenery at the back. I hope to be able to get a scene here with some aspen trees and mountains in the background with clouds up above. It will stretch my painting capabilities quite a bit. The sawmill also has a green chain in the back here. And if I take the roof off, be able to see the green chain a little bit better. Logs will be dried outside in various areas here. Inside the mill is detailed. This is all N scale with the chain in, the log table, the carriage, bandsaw. This would be an edger saw. This would be a cut-off saw for large timbers. The boards that go through the edger come back here, and then they'll go through the cut-off saws here and out onto the green chain. Boards can be brought back in after they're air dried and run through the planer and back onto the chain going out to the green chain. Or if they're a defective log or not a log, but a defective board that needs to be recut on the ends, they can be brought back in and run through this small cut-off saw here and back on the chain to go back out in the yard. Carts, there'll be a right here, there'll be a deck also, and the boards can be brought in and put onto these carts here, which then can be pushed around on the tracks. Carts can be, and the boards offloaded to either go to the cut-off saw or to the planer. Now, I'll move on to the last area that I need to rough in scenery, which is a long area on the layout. That'll be all the way back along this area here. When I get that finished, I'll be done roughing in scenery, but hopefully within the next month I can get this roughed in also. Thanks for watching, and more information at onefatgmc.com, my website, along with a lot of things that you can 3D print for your layout. See ya.